attempts have been made to list teaching skills that could be developed among the student teachers. A large number of skills have been identified. The important skills pertaining to the areas of motivation, presentation, questioning, and recapitulation have been chosen and listed as set induction, explanation, questioning, stimulus variation, reinforcement, closure, and blackboard work. In this, now we are going to see about the skill of stimulus variation. The skill of stimulus variation involves the behavior of the teacher. By making use of all the components of stimulus variation, the teacher can make the teaching effective and purposeful. The purpose of this skill is to stimulate the students, increase their active participation, enthusiasm, and spirit of study to avoid boredom and apatheism. Now let's see the components of stimulus variation. The components are teacher movement, gesture, focusing, change in interaction style, change in speech pattern, students' participation, oral visual switching, and passing. Now let's see about teacher movement. The teacher has to move in the classroom with the purpose or to use or change the stimulus of the people. The teacher movements should be intended purposefully. For example, the teacher moves to the blackboard to write something on the board, moves towards the back of the classroom to check what the students are doing, moves towards a particular student to clarify some doubts. So the teacher movements should be intended purposefully. Now let's see about gesture. When the teacher teaches, she or he should use apt and needed gesture to bring a variation in the stimulus of the students. The teacher has to use their whole body in teaching. They may be non-verbal to emphasize significant ideas or objects. Next one is focusing. It includes verbal, gestural, and non-verbal interaction patterns. Next one is change in interaction style. When two or more individuals communicate with each other, then interaction takes place. In the classroom situation, three styles of interaction are possible. They are teacher-pupil interaction, pupil-pupil interaction, and teacher-group interaction. Change in speech pattern. To express her ideas, the teacher can modulate her voice to bring out the students' emotions or feelings. She modulates her tone and speed. And the next component is students' participation. The teacher makes the student to speak, make them feel that they are also involved in the process of teaching. This may be in the form of handling apparatus, dramatization, writing on the blackboard, etc. And the next component is oral visual switching. Visual medium may be in the form of chart, picture, graphs on the blackboard. It should go hand in hand to take verbal statements in the class. And the last component is passing. It refers to a brief period of silence during teacher talk. The purpose of this one is to secure the attention of the pupils, to give time for structuring an answer to teacher's question, and to give time for getting ideas and concepts. Thus, we have seen about the skill of stimulus variation. Thank you.